Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please note that this review is based on my personal experience with the product or service. Today, we're taking a look at Vianet Communications, a leading internet service provider in Nepal, found online at vianet.com.np. While their website serves as the primary hub for information, this review stems from my hands-on experience using their services. I'll be sharing my insights into various aspects of their offerings, from the initial sign-up process and customer support interactions to the actual performance of their internet connectivity. My exploration of Vianet encompasses not just browsing their website, but the entire customer journey. This includes navigating their online resources, understanding their various packages and pricing options, and ultimately, experiencing the quality and reliability of their internet connection. I'll delve into the details of their service, discussing aspects like speed, consistency, reliability during peak hours, and the responsiveness of their customer support team when issues arise. Furthermore, I'll touch upon any additional services they offer, such as television packages or other bundled options, and how these integrate with their core internet service. This review aims to provide a comprehensive overview of Vianet, beyond just the information presented on their website. I'll share my personal perspectives on the pros and cons of their services, based on my real-world usage. Whether you're a current Vianet customer looking for validation of your experience or a prospective customer considering their services, I hope this review provides valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. My aim is to offer a balanced and detailed assessment, highlighting both the strengths and weaknesses of Vianet as an internet service provider in Nepal, drawing from my first-hand experience with their offerings. So, stay tuned as I share my complete review of Vianet Communications.